Jimmy Rodgers, one of the men charged in the murder of Bonita Springs doctor Teresa Sievers, is appearing before a judge to answer to an upgraded murder charge.
Both Rodgers and Mark Sievers, Teresa's husband, are now charged with first-degree murder, a charge punishable by either death or life in prison if convicted. Fox 4 Rising Stephanie Tinoco is live from the courthouse where Rodgers is expected to be this morning. Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning, Chris and Miriam. This is going to be the second time this week that Jimmy Rodgers' attorneys will be walking through the double doors of the Lee County Courthouse for the second half of his first appearance. Now, this comes after his attorney requested time to go over the new charges. And it's expected that a topic of discussion this morning will be punishment, because if convicted, Rodgers could be facing the death penalty or life in prison. Now, according to a grand jury indictment for both Rodgers and Mark Sievers, both men reportedly began planning Dr. Teresa Sievers' murder last summer. She was brutally beaten to death inside her home about 2 months later. Now, both men face first-degree murder charges. Meanwhile, Rodgers is also charged with burglary, while Sievers faces an additional charge of conspiracy to commit murder. Prosecutors say Sievers hired both Rodgers and his childhood best friend Curtis Wright to kill his wife. And as we've reported, Curtis Wright is now serving a 25-year prison sentence after pleading guilty to second-degree murder charges. Under the deal, he's also required to help prosecutors with their case against Sievers and Rodgers. And of course, we'll soon be heading inside, going through security to get inside that courtroom where this will be taking place. Reporting live in Fort Myers, Stephanie Tinoco, Fox 4 Rising.
All right, Stephanie, thank you.